In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured section to your LinkedIn mobile profile. To get started, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and sign in if you aren't already. On the home screen, tap your profile icon, then tap it again to go straight to your profile page. This takes you to the place where you can edit everything people see when they visit your profile. On your profile, look for the Add section button and tap it. A panel will appear with different categories. Open the recommended drop-down and then tap Add Featured. LinkedIn will show a quick message explaining what this area is for. The featured section is designed to highlight the work you're most proud of, things like standout posts, articles, links to your website or portfolio, documents, photos, videos, or presentations. Think of it as your showcase, the content you want visitors to notice first. To add something to Featured, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the types of content you can feature. You can pick an existing post, choose an article you've published on LinkedIn, add a link to something online, or attach media. For media, you can upload a photo or video directly from your device, or take a new photo using your phone's camera if you want to capture something on the spot. As you choose what to feature, aim for items that represent your skills and achievements clearly. For example, a post with strong engagement, a case study article, a link to a project page, or a short video demo can all work well. Keep titles and descriptions straightforward so viewers immediately understand what they're looking at. If you're adding a link, make sure the URL is live and the preview looks good. For documents or images, check that the file is easy to read on a phone screen. After you add your first item, the featured section will appear on your profile. You can repeat the process to add more items anytime by tapping the plus icon again. If something doesn't look right, you can remove it and re-add a better version. The idea is to keep this section focused and up to date so it reflects your best and most relevant work. And that's it. That's how to add a featured section to your LinkedIn mobile profile. If you found this helpful, tap the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload.